New warning for green card holders in 2025. What you should know. In 2025, green card holders are facing new challenges as immigration policies tighten under updated USCIS regulations, from increased border scrutiny to expanded social media monitoring and stricter medical exam rules. Lawful permanent residents must stay alert to avoid unexpected legal traps. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. If you're a green card holder, you know how important it is to stay on top of immigration rules. But in 2025, there are some new changes that could catch you off guard. We're diving into 3 potential traps for green card holders and sharing tips to protect your status. Recent USCIS policy changes. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has rolled out several updates in 2025 that affect green card holders. These changes are part of a broader push for stricter immigration enforcement, including more vetting and scrutiny. According to USCIS's official website, they're focusing on national security and public safety, which sounds important, but it's creating some challenges for lawful permanent residents. 1. Increased border scrutiny. Increased scrutiny at U.S. borders and airports. NPR reported in April 2025 that green card holders are facing tougher questioning when re-entering the U.S., especially if they have minor criminal records or have been abroad for a long time. For example, a green card holder in Seattle was detained because of a decades-old conviction, even though they've lived legally in the U.S. for 50 years. If you've been outside the U.S. for more than 180 days, border officers might ask for proof of your ties to the U.S., like tax records or a job. And here's the kicker. Some attorneys say CBP officers have pressured green card holders to, quote, voluntarily give up their status after long interrogations. 2. Social media vetting. USCIS announced in March 2025 that green card applicants and even current holders must disclose their social media handles for review. Now, being called a guest when you're a lawful permanent resident feels off, right? Green card holders aren't temporary visitors. You have constitutional protections. But USCIS is looking for things like advocating violence or supporting terrorism. So be mindful of what you post online and avoid sharing anything that could be misinterpreted. 3. Medical exam requirements. On June 11, 2025, USCIS updated their policy on Form I-633, the medical exam form for green card applications. Newsweek reported that these forms are no longer valid indefinitely. If you withdraw an application, you'll need a new exam. This change caught many applicants by surprise, and it could delay your process. Tips to protect your green card. Here are practical tips. Check your documents, make sure your green card hasn't expired, and apply for a re-entry permit if you'll be abroad for over 6 months. Visit uscis.gov for details. Know your rights. You have procedural rights at the border, meaning only an immigration judge can revoke your status. Be cautious online. Avoid posting controversial content that could be flagged during social media vetting. Keep proof of ties. Carry documents like tax returns, lease agreements, or job letters to show your U.S. connections. As immigration rules evolve, green card holders must take proactive steps to safeguard their residency. Staying informed, keeping documents up to date, and being mindful of travel, online activity, and legal responsibilities can make a significant difference. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
New warning for green card holders. In 2025, what you should know. In 2025, USCIS introduced new policies affecting green card holders, heightening scrutiny and enforcement. First, border re-entry has become more difficult, especially for those with old criminal records or long absences, with the reports of pressure to give up status. Second, USCIS now require green card applicants and holders to disclose social media accounts, raising free speech concern. Third, medical exam policies have a tight net. Form I-693 is no longer indefinitely valid after application withdrawal. To protect their status, green card holders should maintain valid documents, understand that legal rights, avoid controversial posts, and carry proof of strong US ties when traveling.